Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at why your refrigerator's cheese and meat drawers are too warm or too cold.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Most refrigerators have a meat and cheese drawer. There is typically a slide control near this drawer that regulates the amount of cold air channeled into it. But what do these settings really mean? When the slider is set to the meat position, the temperature inside the drawer will be at its coldest setting, approximately 32 to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving the slider towards the cheese position produces a more moderate, warmer temperature within the drawer that should keep the temperatures approximately 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know how this slider affects temperatures and why it's important to keep its position set based on how you intend to use the drawer. Sometimes you may find your refrigerator's drawer does not have a slide control to adjust air temperature. In this case, you must just turn down the temperature control of the refrigerator slightly to increase the temperature of the fresh food section. The colder temperatures will occur at the bottom of the refrigerator drawers, since cold air drops to the lowest point of the refrigerator section. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.